Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up your Arctis 7X and the PlayStation. Plug the wireless USB-C dongle into the Ps5 front USB port. Do this now because it's the bridge between devices. Once done, turn on the headset with a short press of the power button. You'll hear a tone. Make sure the Ps5 system is awake and you're signed in, then navigate to Settings Sound so you can confirm input and output devices in the next step. Now pair and configure. Press and hold the headset pairing button until the LED blinks to indicate pairing mode. The dongle and headset should auto-link seconds later. On the Ps5, go to Settings Sound and select the USB headset as the input and output device, then choose Output to Headphones. All audio so game sound and chat route through the Arctis. Adjust volume and microphone level in those menus. Do small tweaks. Finish by testing in-game audio and party chat. Use the headset console controls to tweak mix so voice and game levels are comfortable. If you hear nothing, first reinsert the dongle and reboot the Ps5, then power cycle the Arctis. Often a quick reset clears connection hiccups. If pairing still fails, perform a headset reset by holding power and pairing buttons for 10 seconds, then repair. Finally, make sure Ps5 system software is current, because updates fix audio compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.